Welcome to New Sphere. Today we are making circle spinners. Let's get started. You will need some writing materials of your choice, a glue stick, a pen or marker for tracing, a craft knife if you have it, some scissors, at least 24 to 28 inches of a multi-purpose twine, something to trace that's a circle shape. I suggest at least 4 inches in diameter, but you can experiment with different sizes, a piece of cardboard, and a piece of paper. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is trace our circles onto the cardboard and the paper. We want to put one on the cardboard, and 2 circles on the paper. 1, oh, make sure it's connected. 2. Now we're going to cut those out. Cutting these different materials is great fine motor practice, but it can be a little tricky for your children. Make sure you tell them to keep their scissors straight up and down with their thumb facing up and push the materials into the scissors. Open, shut, open, shut. That's the way we cut, cut, cut. We now have all 3 of our circles cut out. We are going to glue a paper circle to each side of the cardboard. Now it's time to decorate both sides of our circles. You can decorate however you wish. This is a great opportunity for color mixing. If you put 2 colors onto your wheel, like yellow and pink, or green and yellow, or purple and pink, or purple and blue, or green, whatever colors, pick 2 colors and see what happens when that wheel goes spinning. Great opportunity to talk about color theory. Go ahead and decorate. All right, we're going to go ahead and put 2 small circles in the middle of our cardboard with our craft knife. Be very careful. The circles only have to be large enough to fit your twine through. Try to get as close to the center as possible. Now that we have our circles there, we're going to put our twine through. If your twine is starting to fray, you can wrap a piece of tape around the end. Push it through one side and then back through the other. Now we're going to tie our ends together. And you can cut off that extra. Push your cardboard into the center of the string and we're ready to start twisting. Hold both ends of your string with one finger and move it in a circular motion to get the string to start twisting. Once your string has some twists in it, you can relax and pull on both ends. Your string will start twisting on its end, and if you're doing it right, you'll hear a loud humming sound. Whoa, what's happening to those colors on the side? My red and blue are making purple. Your children will play with this over and over again, and you'll even find yourself checking it out. I hope you have so much fun with these circle spinners, and I'll see you again soon.